I'd like to introduce you to a new dance called Mango Groove. It's choreographed by myself, Alison, Johnstone of Nuline dance, and this is choreographed for the Sunflower 2015 South African event. Thank you very much, guys, for asking me to choreograph your dance for this year's event. This one is by the band Mango Groove, and it's done to a track of theirs called Dance Some More. This is a South African band. I'm going to walk you through the steps. I'll face so that you can see it. This is 12 o'clock. Step right, left together, right chasse, step. Rock forward on the left, recover on the right, quarter turn left, chasse, step. Then you're going to do some hinge turns with toe struts and click. Hinge, toe strut, click, quarter, then a half, then a quarter step, and then a half step. It's quarter, half, half, and this takes you to your 6 o'clock wall. Left kick, ball, step. 2 rocking chairs on the left, rock, recover, rock, recover, rock, recover, rock, recover. And try and swivel those hips to fit the type of music. Pivot a half turn over the right shoulder, stepping forward on the left, pivot half turn, left shuffle forward, step forward on the right and pivot half turn over left, back to your 6 o'clock wall, and then step on the right and step on the left. You're now just simply going to take a series of vines. First of all, we start with a vine to the right, finishing with a scuff. Vine to the left, half turn with a scuff. Vine to the right with a scuff. Vine to the left with a half and a scuff. Now every time you've danced the dance to the front wall, starting at the front, and you're finishing at the back wall, so that's walls 1, 3 and 5, you actually end the dance there, and we start with step together, chasse, step. I'm going to show you wall number 2, because every time you start the dance facing 6 o'clock, the dance has got an extra 16 counts. So here we go. Step right, together, chasse, step. Rock forward, recover, quarter, chasse, step. Hinge, a quarter, hinge, a half, hinge, a half, there with toe struts, kick, ball, change. Rocking chair, and again, rocking chair. Here's your pivot half. Pivot half turn with your shuffle, and pivot half turn with your stomp and your stomp. You're going to take your vine to the right with your scuff, and your vine to the left half turn with a scuff. Vine to the right with a scuff, and vine to the left with your half turn scuff. Now remember, every time you start the dance facing 6 o'clock, you're now facing 12 because it's a 2-wall dance. You're going to add on these extra counts. V, step, and again right, V, step, which is out, out, in. And then we're going to do 4 quarter turn paddle steps, touch, quarter turn, touch, quarter turn, touch, quarter turn, touch, quarter turn. And that will finish you again facing 12, ready to start the dance again. At the end of wall number 5, you will be facing 6 o'clock, and you will just have finished the dance. So pivot half turn, shuffle, step, pivot half with your step. Step, you take your vines with a half, and a vine, and a half. Remember, that's where you start the dance again. Every time you're facing 6, you would start the dance here at the end of your 12 o'clock wall. So this time, however, you take a stomp, you hold 2, and you shimmy for 2, then you restart the dance again. Hi, now I'm going to show you the counts. Step 1 together, 2, chasse 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, chasse 7 and 8, and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, kick 7 and 8, rock 1, 2, 3, 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8, pivot 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, pivot 5, 6, step 7, 8, grapevine 2, 3, 4, vine 5, 6, 7, 8, vine 1, 2, 3, 4 by 5, 6, 7, 8. Now remember, that's where you stop. If you started a dance at 12 o'clock, well, here's you starting again. If you started dancing at 6 o'clock, then you add on the end of the dance to these steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then your little turns, paddle turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start the dance again. I hope you enjoy this dance. I hope the Sunflower 2015 event is hugely successful and you raise a lot of money for your charity. Thank you very much for asking me to choreograph a dance for your event this year. Bye.